Hello guys, and welcome to Ginas Way. So I just wanted to come on real quick and show you all their Kroger have it's not, I don't know, it's an okay sale, but listen, so you guys can get there early. There's some freebies. Now listen, this right here, the Era Antiperspirant is supposed to be, it's through April 4th. So from 3/12 we had a coupon for $1 off. You guys, they have them on sale for $1, so it makes it free after the coupon. They have these Arm & Hammer, the Ultra Max, through April 4th is free after the coupon. And then you've got this LA Looks hair. It's $1, and it's actually going to be like a money maker, okay? And then, so there's some other few deals, but for these right here, I particularly wanted to say, if you use these, I'll put a link in the description box, but I would order a ton of those, a ton of the coupons. So I'll put a link so that you can order your coupons, but I would say order them and then ask Kroger when do their new shipment come in and stock up. I'd get enough for listen, I will be going back throughout the week, every single day, getting those things for free if I use those. That's how you shop. That's really extreme couponing shopping for a year. So that's such a good deal. So I wanted to hurry up and put this up before you guys started the day. Also, they've got some Teddy Grahams, the little gold cups. They're going to be free once you have checkout 51. If you don't have it, go ahead, click that link and get it. The Ibotta, you guys, is going to be $0.25. You need to use the digital coupon, but you're going to get back 50 cents from the Ibotta. So go ahead, if you don't have Ibotta, sign up for that. Those razors, you know, we got those in the ad the other day. They're $3 off one. Those are just going to be free. This is another really good deal, I thought. These Tatina pizzas, they're $1, but we have a couple coupons. You can print that, or you could go ahead and use the one from $1.29, but it makes it 67 cents, which I thought that was a really good deal. And then there's some all liquid laundry detergent. That's $2.49. There's some Snuggle. Remember, you guys got to get your own Kroger e-coupons, so you need to use these, okay? The Ziploc bags, and then these hefty storage I thought would be a good deal too. So they're $1.99, and then we've got coupons. They limit 5, it says, for if you're going to use their coupons, or you could go ahead and print the other, but it'll make it 99 cents with their coupons. You guys, that's such an awesome deal for those hefty storage bags. But I just wanted to come on here real quick just to show you all, you guys, please stock up on those. Those are, so if you use them, run to the store and grab that and do those deals. All right, guys, I'll talk to y'all later and see you in the next video. Bye, guys.